Hello friends, my name is Loknath Vishwas and I hope you all will be happy. You are watching very interesting debate between Christian and Muslim. If you like this debate and if you want to see this debate, then please don't waste your time. Take a look right now.
Look at the zakat. Did you see the zakat? Did you see the zakat from the Muslims? Did you see the zakat from the Muslims? Thank you. Thank you. You clearly are a nutter. So you must be a Muslim. If you don't encroach into my personal space.
Where's your personal
All right, Fahad. Where did Fahad go? Fahad has been eliminated. The one intelligent Muslim has been eliminated by who? By the Muslims from a higher stance. Look at him. Look at this Muslim. Look at this Muslim.
I not talk to you. I not talk to you. Hey,
No.
hey, I not talk to you.
Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. You've stepped on me already. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. You've come near me. Don't come near me. You've come near me. Don't come near me. You too, sir. Stay away. If you're angry with your parents, stay away. I don't know how old you are. You look like a 14-year-old kid, which is terrible because even grown-up men are clueless. You, in your mentally unstable state, let me capture his face. Look at him. He thinks, hey, you're stepping on me multiple times. You're stepping on me multiple times. You. What are you doing? What are you doing?
You as well.
What take it easy? Your Muslim Aki is a criminal. Move him away. Advise your Muslim Aki. Advise your Muslim Aki. Advise your Muslim. He stepped on me multiple times. He stepped on me multiple times. Your Aki Nutter stepped on me multiple times. Enough. Stay away. Hey. Don't push me, you Nutter. Don't touch me. I am here. You are the one coming into me. You utter fool. Stay away. Don't walk into me and push me. You Pakistani fellow. Stay away, my dear friend. Stay away. Don't push me. Criminals. Criminals at Speaker's Corner. Capture his face. Proper crook. He was standing wherever he is standing and he moved into me and pushed me. Look at this clown. Look at that clown. Look at these clowns. They show up at Speaker's Corner and slowly they are making Speaker's Corner become like Algeria or Morocco or Syria. Look, this is Speaker's Corner, my dear friends. Hey, bro. Chat Hey. Criminals, stay away. My dear criminals, go home. Go home. Criminals, go home. This is not your space. This is called Speaker's Corner. Let's go. All Muslims, get yourself.
Hey, no, come closer, bro. Hey, no, come closer.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry I came close to you. All Muslims, vacate Speaker's Corner. Go home. The Muslims are so offended because
not a disciple of who Yahuwah sent in the world.
if you can stay where you are, I'll move right now. Don't come near me again.
Yahuwah sent in the
Thank
world.
you. Don't come near me
I can
again.
stand right here.
Don't come near me again.
I can stand right
Don't
here
come
if
near
I
me.
want to.
Don't come near me.
This man is
All right.
This man is war. This man
All right. Dear friends,
This man does not eat money. This man preach division amongst people.
why
So
are
no
the Muslims...
should speak to this man.
Don't come near me.
Did I touch you?
This man is
I have a personal
disrespectful
space if you don't
of
come
other
near me.
people, religion, and other people. You not speak to this man.
Is there any sensible Muslim?
Do not.
Anyone? Any sensible Muslim? Fahad, look at the zakat. Did you see the zakat?
Not for you, not for you.
Don't come near me.
Not for you.
Don't come near me.
No.
This is
Don't touch him. If I touch you,
such a thing called personal space.
Christian. He called himself
Maybe I'll...
Christian. He called himself Christian.
So, Now, all the clowns, if you can stay behind, clearly you are utterly clueless.
Brother, if you were Muslim,
Look at the Algerian practices here, the Moroccan practices here, the Turkish practices here. My dear
let
friends,
me speak to the camera.
why
Do
are
not
the
speak to
Muslims?
them.
Don't come near him. Don't.
not
You come-
engage
don't touch
with
him.
him.
Don't touch him. I have,
Don't touch him.
you
You can
come-
touch him. You can touch him
Look,
if you want.
I've moved away multiple times. I have moved away multiple times. I moved away multiple times. I have moved away multiple times. I have moved away multiple times. Look at this proper. You've escaped from a. You don't appear scary. You are a kid who might be minus 5 years old. That's who you are.
This man
Look
is
at him.
evil. This man cause war and confliction.
Why are the Muslims angry?
Religion. This man cause war. This
Why
no good.
are the Muslims angry?
No good.
The Muslims are angry because they don't have an answer to a basic question I've asked today.
Islam is
I am a Christian. I am a Christian. As a Christian, I have answers to basic questions.
You are not a true believer.
How
You are not a true believer. You are fake.
How did Jesus show his love towards me?
You are fake.
Jesus showed his love towards me by giving up his life for me.
People believe alone.
By giving up his life for me. This is how Jesus showed his love towards me. What was the question I asked of the Muslims at Speaker's Corner? It was a pretty simple question. The question I asked the Muslims very simply is this: how does the Islamic Allah show his love towards you? My dear Muslim friends, how does the Islamic Allah show his love towards you? Is a simple question.
He do not preach it. All he come to the park to do is about Islam.
Look at that clown again.
It
Look
cause
at that
war.
clown.
And when it is
The criminal clowns, try, look at them.
upset.
I'm not interested. Stay away. Thank you. How does the Islamic Allah show his love towards human beings?
No good. So, do not engage this.
How does the Islamic Allah show his love towards the human beings?
We respect
Muslims.
and love people.
There is no love whatsoever.
Whether you are Muslim, whether you are Christian, we respect and love people and people.
Yeah, look at the respect. Look at the respect. Great respect. This guy.
Jesus
Great
did not preach
respect.
him to do this. We
got the message, bro.
I will still speak.
No problem.
Jesus will not teach him to do this. He can. Jesus, he can. Me as well.
And so this is the problem, my dear friends.
Thank you, man. Jesus, this man
Thank you,
did not
thank you.
move by the Holy
If you give up
Ghost
on your
or
drugs,
the Holy
yeah,
Spirit.
thank you.
He doesn't have it in him. Because
Is there any sensible Muslim who is able to answer simple questions I ask? My dear friends, is there any sensible Muslim?
Do not go to Jerusalem until you have the Holy Ghost. Power. He doesn't have it.
This is the state.
Don't tell me. This man.
Look at the state of Islam. Even at Speaker's Corner, can you see? Can you see what has happened? It began perhaps in Rotherham, Rochdale, Birmingham, Manchester. It began in all sorts of places, and now it is at Speaker's Corner. Can you see? My dear friends, look at what Islam has done to even Speaker's Corner.
You are a God.
This is the reality we face, my dear friends.
Listen, man.
Look at, don't push, don't push, don't push. Muslims, don't push. Muslims, don't push. Muslims, don't commit a crime. Or don't commit a crime for the 1000th time. Stay away. All right, my dear friends.
Disciples of men.
The proof copy has come. The proof copy has arrived for the book that I have written, The Coming Islamic Takeover of the West. Now, the coming Islamic takeover of the West, my dear friends.
We're gonna do because you're just gonna invite him to come and fight, and we don't fight people. No. Hey, brother, don't do that, please.
400 odd pages.
Because Christ is the
400 odd pages explaining
Muslims,
how
Christians, everybody, we all love Yahusha.
explaining how the UK is going to become like Afghanistan, Syria, Pakistan, Iran, or one of these crazy nations, Algeria, Morocco. How is the UK going to become like the Islamic, one of these Islamic caliphates which are messed up like Somalia, Afghanistan, Iraq, Iran? How is it going to become like that? I've explained very clearly. The proof copy has arrived and the proof for the pudding has also arrived. Watch all of these Muslim fellows who are disallowing free speech even at Speaker's Corner in the UK. Can you imagine? We're not in Mecca. We are not in Afghanistan. We're not in Morocco. We're not in Syria. We are not in Iran. We are not in Iraq. We are not in any of these nations. But free speech is being taken away from us in front of our eyes. Who are doing this?
But if you go on a
The mafia religion called Islam is doing that in the UK.
This is what
The mafia religion called Islam is doing this. Who is removing free speech in the UK?
You are.
The mafia religion called Islam.
No, we are spreading peace.
Why would the MPs work to come up with Islamophobia as a definition? Because after the Muslims, look at these clowns, criminal clowns, look at them. After the Muslims, it is the MPs of our nation who are turning their backs towards us. Look at him. The Muslim mafia ringleaders at Speaker's Corner have got everything up. Yeah, he's not Muslim. And that's why he was shouting out Takbir just a few minutes ago.
I'm the real Christian.
Don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me.
I'm Ashurian.
Don't touch me. You are a liar and a scamster. Like how your mafia boss, Mohammed is. You stay away, thank you very much. Don't come into me. Don't come into me. You've stepped on me multiple times. Don't come into me. Don't come into me. Thank you. Don't come into me. Thank you.
Yeah, you're no real Christian, man.
So if you want to know how exactly is the UK being taken over,
You're no Christian.
if you want to know how exactly the UK is being taken over, it was Israel first. My dear friends, it was Israel first,
You're fake, man.
and now
You're fake.
is the time for the UK,
You're Indian. You
the
wanted
US,
people. You wanted people.
Germany,
You wanted sign.
France,
Banjo,
Belgium,
Punjabi,
Denmark,
fat ass.
Sweden,
Shut up.
Norway,
Your ass.
Australia.
You're mad.
Our time has arrived.
Kusum.
And it has arrived at Speaker's Corner in London. This book is an exposition of what is happening at Speaker's Corner.
I don't know them. Moms, I don't know them.
What have I done with my book?
Oh, you're
My
not
book
Christian.
is
Speak to me.
nothing but
Man, speak to me. Man, speak to me.
my book is an exposition
He can't speak.
of the theological intent of Islam
Do you know I should
towards the Jewish and the Christian nations. I've explained in detail, 400 odd pages, my dear friends. I have explained in detail as to how basic Islam, not political Islam, not Islamism, not extreme Islam, not some Taliban Islam, but basic Islam
Punjabi Taliban.
practiced by
Punjabi
the
Daesh.
Muslims,
You're ISIS.
as the
You're one fat-
gentleman who is standing in front of me,
Indian.
who has already assaulted me multiple times,
You're fake.
and a number of clowns who
You're
are
fake
by that
Christian.
side,
You're fake
all
Christian.
of whom
You're
have
not
already
Christian.
assaulted
You're
me.
not Christian.
The Islam
You're not
that these criminal
You're not
mafia
Christian.
gang members
Who's-
practice
who's gang?
in the
Who's
UK
gang?
is what is going to take over
You wanna join
the
gang?
UK.
You want to join the gang?
What are these people
You wanna
interested
join
in?
the gang?
These people are interested in sex, money,
Shut up.
domination.
I work.
That's all they care about.
I work.
And if push comes to the shove, they would lay down even their youngsters here.
Shut up. Bo, shut
If the police and if the military want to capture these troublemaking Muslims,
Don't speak about
these
that.
troublemaking
I'm not
Muslims,
Muslim, man. I'm a Shurian.
don't touch me.
You're
I
very
heard you
Muslim.
shout out
Don't
Allahu
tell me
Akbar,
I'm- don't say you're
Takbir
Muslim.
earlier.
You
Don't
know
lie.
my religion, man.
Don't lie.
You
Okay.
don't know my religion.
Don't shout.
You're backy,
You're-
man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Put your hands on him 5 times.
Show.
He's saying I'm Muslim.
And therefore, my dear friends,
No, I'm not letting him talk.
listen. It's time to wake up.
Free speak as well, man.
Look at him. Look at him. He is involved, like I said, it's a sex ring that the Muslims are engaged in. Not just in Rotherham. They're not just pedophilic. They're also sexually inclined against me at Speaker's Corner. I don't know why they want to do that, but that's what they're up to. My dear friends, as a Christian, I find a number of reasons as to why we should be Christians. Joel, don't give time to those clowns. Don't give time to those clowns. Mafia ringleaders can stay at home, can get help from your nearest NHS hospital, but not from us. We are here to engage in an intellectual dialogue. My dear friends, if you don't have intellect, stay at home. If your center of gravity is tending downward, perhaps some organs which are lower are acting excessively, making you pedophilic, making you abuse your women, and your upper floor is perhaps empty. And that is where I'm asking you to consider some serious issues that I'm bringing up. As a Christian, why do I want to follow Jesus? Well, I go through the Bible, and according to the Bible, I see a demonstration of excess love. Love that is only possible through God, demonstrated in the person of Jesus. Even though being God who became flesh, he went to the cross. Jesus went to the cross. I look at that and I think he is worthy. The state of the Islamic Dawah is that one of the best.
Speak to me. Speak to me.
Now comes the
Speak
next.
to me. He don't speak to me.
Now comes.
He can. He's not Christian.
All right.
I'm an Ashurian.
The questions. No, he shouted out Takbir
I'm a Shurian.
earlier. Takbir is a typical
I'm a
Takia.
Shurian.
You're touching me. Just
No.
say, thank you.
Don't touch me. Next time I'll punch you if you touch me. I'll punch you if you touch
Try,
me.
try.
But touch
Try.
me. Touch me.
Try.
Touch me.
Okay. If you come into my personal space again, this hand will touch you. Your idiot mind might not
Shut
understand.
up, Indian.
If you come into my
You're
personal
not
space,
You're not
this
Christian.
hand would touch you.
You didn't
And
born a
I will
Christian.
see
You didn't
what
born
you will
as a
do
Christian.
from that time.
He's not
Thank
Christian,
you.
fam.
Thank you.
He's not Christian.
Now,
He didn't born Christian. He born.
I'm looking for some
His
intelligent
God,
Muslim
is your
who is
God.
able
Fuck
to
off.
debate
Stupid.
on the Quran
Motherfucker.
right now.
Asshole.
My dear Muslim friends,
You're
if
mad.
there is anyone who is worth your
You're
salt,
Indian. Go back to India.
Thank you.
Don't stay here.
Yeah, thank you.
India don't need you.
Thank you.
United Kingdom don't need you.
If there is
God don't love
any
you.
Muslim who is able to engage in an intelligent manner, whose top floor is not empty,
Shut up.
but who has something in up there. It's called a brain. It's called a brain. It's supposed to give you ideas, thoughts, and so on. If your top floor is empty, please stay at home.
Shut
Now,
up. Shut up.
Muslims
You're
have
Indian.
been
Don't speak about Muslims, man. Speak about Christians.
Muslims have been fed this lie that the Quran is marvelously preserved. Don't hey. Don't take my stuff. Don't touch my stuff. Idiot. Stay away.
Shut up, you asshole. Pussy, shut up. You both.
You are a criminal right now. Stay away.
Don't. Why you have Quran?
Because you are someone who attempted theft right now.
You're fucking.
You are a thief.
I'll bring you cow right
Caught red-handed right
I'll
now.
bring you cow.
Look at the Muslim thief
I'm
there.
a Muslim, man. I'm a
You
Shurian.
are a Muslim.
Ashurian.
You shouted
Ashurian.
out take beer
Real Christian.
not long ago.
I'm the first Christian.
Thank
Pussy.
you. You are a liar.
didn't born a fucking
You lie.
Christian.
Look, test. Thank you.
Ashurian.
All right. Now let's ignore the clowns. The mafia low-level ringleader. Low-level mafia. Sorry, I shouldn't have said ringleader. Mafia low-level minion. Can you see him? Low-level. They paid him £2. This gentleman. Only £2. Only £2. And even that, they said they will pay only later. Later, only later. His quality is of that level. The mafia, upper level ringleaders are hiding there and they are scared to death. When it comes to engagement on Islam, they are scared to death. So they are hiding somewhere over there, like Maser, your massage master.
Come on, man. What are you doing?
Look at this criminal.
Man, a loser's biggie boy.
Maser, massage master is perhaps hiding somewhere there. Smile to banana is hiding somewhere there. If there is any Muslim who is worth the salt, let us now debate. Let us stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me.
Personal space.
Stay away from me.
Personal space.
Stay away from me.
Personal space, please. You're gonna-
Stay away
you're
from me.
hashing shit all over. Moving like a bencho, bro. Give him some space.
Look at these fellows. Proper Muslims.
Proper benchos.
We need to discuss Islam in our parliament, but the discussion we need to have is about this. Why do we have pedophiles? Why do we have pedophiles? Proper bona fide Muslim. This guy seems to be a homosexual. He's trying to touch me from the back. All right. Thank you. Now that we have escaped from the criminals,
India.
my dear friends,
No fucking Christian.
I stand here at Speaker's Corner despite all these troublemakers, low-level mafia minions, mafia, Islam minions. The reason I'm standing here is to explain to all people, including the Muslims, that you are caught up in a mafia ring. Whereas the Bible is the word of God. Whereas Jehovah is God. Jesus is God. Whereas we are meant to be a Christian nation.
To be Indian.
What do we have with Islam?
We're gonna be trained tonight. We're gonna be trained tonight.
With Islam, what do we have with Islam? With Islam, we have a cheap, low-level, evil counterfeit of the Bible. That's what the Quran is. The Quran itself testifies for anyone who reads and comprehends, which is clearly not the Muslims, because top floor empty for the specimen who is standing in front of me, included. Police! 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 Police, sir, please! Can I request your help, please, sir? Police! 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 Please! Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I need help. I need help, sir. This fellow here, that fellow here, this fellow here, and the other fellow in the hat, this fellow, excuse me, sir, and this fellow here, this gentleman stamped on me multiple times, stamped. Only because I'm talking about the Quran, he comes and stamps on me multiple times on camera. And this fellow also comes and harasses me multiple times, pushing me, coming into my personal space, sir. This fellow also. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. And this fellow also, sir. And this fellow also. This fellow in the black hat, sir. Thank you. Very, very aggressive, assaulting multiple times. He stepped on me multiple times, sir. He stepped on me multiple times.
Glasses as well.
Can I? Once. Sherwin, once. Sherwin, once. Brother, once. You okay now? Once. Don't look at him.
What did you do now?
Can I? This gentleman, as I began around 3 o'clock, or half past 3, or half past, yeah, around 3 I started. This fellow came soon after. He stepped on me multiple times.
Believe me, I not touch you. Believe me, God. See that camera.
He stepped on me multiple
I
times.
told him.
I respect.
Good.
I have been at Speaker's Corner many years. I know how to conduct myself. When people like him, this guy is a bona fide troublemaker. I'm telling you, sir. And I have moved away multiple times from him. Multiple times from him. He comes constantly, one place, that place, this place, everywhere. And I'm assuming he knows that the cameras are facing my top. And so he's stamping on my feet, so it's not captured on camera. That's what he has done multiple times. Multiple times, sir. I understand. We might get you the recording later. Can I please request you to at least get his details? And I can bring you evidence.
I've got this.
But I want you to get his details, because I can provide you evidence later.
Okay,
because otherwise, sir, again.
Okay, that he's stamping on your feet.
Yeah, he was stamping, touching me, pushing me.
I've had a word with him.
Not just a word, sir. What I'm saying right now is this gentleman and a few others are constantly harassing me, and we have on camera. I can provide you evidence clearly later, but now he'll run away. I've been assaulted multiple times at Speaker's Corner, and people such as
He
him.
has assaulted you in the past, has he?
Not this gentleman, first time for him, but he has assaulted multiple times today. And therefore, I'd like for you to at least get an initial, details set from him.
So I need
Yeah, we have videos here. This guy needs to be behind bars. He was stamping on me multiple times. This fellow, that's the same one. Can you see? So yeah, I'd like for you to actually.
I'm not going to get his details. I'm not going to get his details at this time. I'm going to complete an
No, I'm not happy with this, sir. I'm not happy with this, sir. I'm not happy with this, sir. He is going to run away. He is going to run away, and they're going to import another troublemaker. I like. This gentleman has assaulted, and I'm confident.
I'm trying to have a conversation with him. If you could just go back to whatever the debate was, yeah?
Please.
I'm trying to have a debate with
But
him.
can I?
Yeah, but I'm not doing it with all the cameras around.
Sure.
Trying to
But just one minute, and I'll move away.
You're speaking to my colleagues,
But,
sir.
okay,
But
I can
I'm
speak to
I'm having a conversation.
Sure. But I want him not to run away. That's important. I'm a victim.
Discussion with him.
I'm sure you are, but I'm a victim right. I am a victim right now. 3 police officers are here. I can show evidence. as you can see, this is live and so on. And of course, it'll take a few minutes to get the recording. And I'll be utterly ashamed of all of you, all three of you, if you let him go away. And that is all I'm going to tell you. I am a victim, and he is still in the crime
I'm
scene.
waiting to see this footage of the offence, and
No,
then we can.
yes,
we can see.
yes. But in the meantime, if you can please make sure he's not escaping. Brothers, who has? Who are you? Yeah, thank you very much. Brother Peter, have you got a recording?
Who are you, seriously?
Ravi, have you got recording?
I'm just going to see the footage, and then we'll go from there. Yeah.
That and the other young man.
So,
He's just behind, you know. Yeah, okay. You can just come and attack with knife or anything, you know.
He stamped on me multiple times.
So this is only one video. I have more also. So this is Speaker Corner. We just come here to talk. You know.
Have you got him near me, on me?
Yeah, I do have him here. Behind Arul is just here. He's just like this. Arul is here. This is Arul is here. He's behind. So if you have knife, you can just stand one just one.
yeah, okay. But I've been told he's stamping him. So I
No,
don't-
this was the other location. This is not where he stabbed.
Maybe-
It was other location. Then after which he started following him.
And the other gentleman, the young man, the other young man.
If it's raining, you get all
Here, can you see? And he's the one who came because I can show you on the other cameras. I captured this because I saw him with his legs pushing me from behind as well.
We have witnesses, sir.
So
Recording.
That's the main camera. This
Recording
one
is good.
On the side because I know
Well,
something's
I
happening
can't-
down.
I'm just watching it at the moment.
Sure,
Yeah.
but recording is one. We have witnesses also. You need to consider both, even if
But
because
we've
these.
got-
the main
we've got
camera's
people
focusing up.
counter-allegations, people saying you've done nothing, people saying, you know.
But we need to do
Recording
something
is what
about-
I want. Recording is what I want.
But you can't be.
Counter allegation.
Sure.
What is the counter allegation?
Well, no, obviously you've got people saying that he's done nothing. So I'd
No,
like
no.
to
What did he do? If there is counter allegation,
Let the judge decide that, sir. So let the courts
do you
decide
agree
that,
that
sir.
he's a little too close? Can you see this?
He's close. He is close.
I'm.
So is that
This is when
allowed?
the other guy this is when he stabbed and this was the scene.
One minute. He's actually got a cigarette.
Brother Sherwin, do we have the thing on camera? Maybe not.
Surely intimidation.
Because I'm capturing with the other camera on top. I'm trying to do this at the bottom, so I didn't get the correct angle. But
I recommend vitamin C and vitamin D for you guys. Yeah?
No, he's very close. And I need to have a
so
word with him about that, yeah.
is that right? Okay, so at least you can see that. Now,
it's not
I'd like to
fairly
know
so
what is the
close, but it's a
counter
very-
allegation.
Well, no, it's just other people saying it didn't happen. That's all I'm saying. So
Right.
But what I'm going to say, sir, as a victim, I'm going to say to Constable Harrison, I am going to tell you that gentleman assaulted me.
Okay.
3 police officers have been here.
Okay.
And if you can't even get his details, I can give whatever details I have. But we have witness. We can provide footage of whatever we have. But we have witnesses.
Okay, yeah, he stood on your foot.
He stood on my. He is trying to stab me. He stood on my feet multiple times. 2 or 3 times he did, and constantly is trying to do the same, moving into me, pushing into me, and trying to do the same. And what I'm going to request you, if you can't press charges right now, I will be terribly offended,
Let's do
and
it.
I will.
Okay, initially you asked me to take his details. Now you want to press charges. Is that correct?
No, what I said initially was, whilst we try and have this conversation, at least get his details so it doesn't escape. That's what I initially
No,
wanted.
well, the officer
Now-
is getting his details as we speak.
Sure. So we need details. That's good. If his details are there, that's fine. That's it. So this is what's happening at Speaker's Corner.
I can see him standing behind you. Yeah.
And pressing his foot actually.
No, I'm sure we have more. We have multiple cameras. It's just as you would imagine. You have your camera, but it'll be hard for you to find out exactly how.
I'll get your details then.
Sure, yeah. You can take my details. But the other young man has to be apprehended.
Oh, you got evidence about him?
The other young man has wandered away, sir. You see the white trousers. We need to. We need to.
I've got him on my camera. I know what he
No,
looks
no,
like.
he's going around.
Can I take your details? The details of that man there. Provide me with details. Sir.
Sure, but can we? He is wandering away. What do we do now? These people are making a fool out of our justice system, sir.
Exactly, madness.
Absolute fool out of our justice system.
Officer, this guy is banned over there with their flags. He's banned from the...
Don't listen to me. He's a constant assaulter.
I mean, everyone's saying everything. Can I get your details? Oh yeah, like 6 years ago. It's very hard to police when everyone's saying everything. I'm trying my best, sir.
I know you are,
First name.
but not right now.
Okay, well, when you're ready, I'll just be somewhere else.
Yeah, I mean I can.
Wherever.
Yeah, I can come there. That's perfectly Islamic. Have you read Surah 5, Ayah 33? Have you read Surah 60, the many ayats? Have you read? Have you read Surah 59, the many ayats? Have you read? Have you read Surah 9, ayah? Aminu, lovely to see you. I can see.
Let me talk to you.
Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me.
I am back here.
Take your brother away.
I am back here.
Thank you.
Let me tell you.
I am back here.
Not interested, please. Thank
I am
you.
back here.
Oh, yeah, not-
Please, let me speak with you, please. Don't put this in my face. Don't put this in my face.
Thank you very much. So don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Thank you. What are these guys? All right. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Thank you. All right. My dear Muslim, are you Muslims, my dear friends? Not Muslims?
Ashurian.
Muslim? You shouted out take beer earlier with him. Muslims, yeah? Please explain to me
Yeah.
the Quran that I hold in my hand. Explain to me what evidence you have that all of this is from Muhammad. What evidence have you got?
What are you good?
My dear friends, please step forward.
My friend, come.
What evidence have you got?
Come, please.
Are you Muslim, sir?
Are you Muslim?
What evidence have you got that all of this is from Muhammad? Anyone? Any evidence?
Anyone? Any evidence?
You, sir.
Please come forward.
What evidence have you got that all of this is from Muhammad?
Chicken biryani.
I'm happy with you to discuss, but I am individual. Is not like everyone. If you offer me £1,000, I'm happy to help you to profit.
Do you know what the Quran says about your offer right now?
No.
Do you know what the Quran says about your offer right now?
I'm the person. I am not working for free. You're not working for free as well.
Do you know what the Quran says about your offer?
Listen, give me money.
Do you know what the Quran says about your offer?
Give me money.
Please don't come in my face. You're on my face right now.
I'm like his face. I'm like his.
Because he has come in.
Bro, I smell curry.
I'm like him.
Curry.
Amino, I can't believe. I am standing here. He has come in.
I'm Ashurian. You say I'm Muslim. Why you say
I want to be like him when I'm old.
Why you say I'm Muslim?
Please stay
When
over.
I'm old.
I'm like
I wanna
you.
be like
Thank
him.
you. I'm going to move away. Thank you. Look at these clowns.
Look at me.
Look at them.
I'm Mickey Mouse.
I mean, animals would behave better than this. Of course they do. Have you been to a circus? Animals at least listen to the handler. At least one person they listen to. At least the handler. So there are plenty of Muslims here. There are plenty of Muslims here. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Look at
I
him.
was literally smoking.
I think he's still maintaining.
You know, I'll roll you.
Today he's gonna go on YouTube.
All right.
All right. Let's go. Me help you. Quran. The Quran. Yeah.
I think we best go to Masser.
Where
He
is
can help with
police?
this.
Where
He
is
has a cure.
police? Please call police.
Cure.
Fuck off.
Thank you.
Hey. Shut up. Shut up.
Ravi.
Police.
No one to be seen.
Criminals don't have to normally shout. Look at these criminals.
India number one.
Police!
There is no police.
Roast the chicken. Roast the chicken. You know roast the chicken.
Ravi,
The police.
Roasting chicken.
But I can understand this.
hey, Fred. Ravi, camera. Cameras.
Police, call the police.
Being finite, it'll be impossible
Don't
to
disrupt them.
understand the infinite.
Don't come near me.
Don't disrupt
Don't
them.
come near me.
Don't disrupt them.
Listen, leave it.
Don't do that. Don't do that. No, leave. Bro. This fellow has been following me throughout the day.
Give him some space, man. Stop it. Give him some.
All right, the mafia.
Shut up.
You're pushing me right now.
Don't shout. Please don't shout.
Pushing me right now.
Don't shout. You fuck off. Don't come my space.
Don't come near me.
Don't disrupt
Don't
them.
come near me.
Don't disrupt them.
Listen, leave it.
Don't do that. Don't do that. No, leave. Bro. This fellow has been following me throughout the day.
Give him some space, man. Stop it. Give him some.
All right, the mafia.
Shut up.
You're pushing me right now.
Don't shout. Please don't shout.
Pushing me right now.
Don't shout. You fuck off. Don't come my space.
Hey, Maser. Don't push me. Don't push me.
Don't do that.
Don't push me.
Don't do that.
Don't push me. Don't push
I
me.
don't want to push you. You what you want?
Don't push me.
What do you want?
This is clear to you.
What do you want?
Don't push me.
What do you want?
What do you want? What do you want? What do you
What do you
need?
want?
What do you need?
What do you want?
I want
What you want? What you want?
people like you.
Why?
What do you
You're
want?
pushing me right
I
now.
People
push
like
you.
you?
You're pushing me
I
right
push you.
now.
You're in my space. You're in my space.
What do you want?
Leave them.
What do you want?
Hey,
What do you want?
you're pushing me multiple times.
I saw you.
Why you hitting him? Why did you hit him?
Push me multiple times.
Why did you punch him?
You pushed me multiple
Why are you
times.
punching him?
No, he did not push you. You
Punched him. Why did you punch him?
Liar.
You punched him.
Push me as a
You pushed him.
Police.
Why are you abusing people?
And this fellow assaulted me.
Why are you punched? You punched
Capture.
him. Stop lying. You
This
punched
fellow
him.
also punched me.
Why you punch him?
If you stay away, thank
You're
you.
in my
Thank
space.
you.
You're in my space. You're in my space. Move.
Absolute
You're in my
clowns.
space. Move. You're in my space. Don't come near me. Move away. Don't come in my space. Step back. Step back. Step back.
Thank you. Stepping back, thank you. Stay there. Don't come
This
towards
guy
me.
just punched the guy.
Absolute clowns.
He punched him.
Space though.
But he came all the way. He came here. Are you delusional? Are you delusional? He came all the way
Asking a
here.
question, brother.
He came all the way here and punched the guy. Are you delusional?
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're saying. I'm not gonna just come here and take your word.
Don't give a shit about your words.
Then stop talking then.
Shut up.
Don't talk. Don't stop talking.
You a punch a guy and play victim, bro. Stop playing victim, bro.
All I'm doing is asking what happened,
Making
and
it
you're
more
fucking making up
victims.
your own shit.
He starts the fight and plays victim. Are you delusional?
I'm asking a question, and you're like triggered. Answer the question.
Why are you coming to me? We've been standing here.
Let's all calm down. Let's all calm down. Calm
Don't
down.
come and push me over here.
Let's
Yeah?
all calm down.
No, I'm not going to chill out, motherfuckers. Yeah, fucking knock you all about.
Oh, that's funny, bro. That's jokes. Calm down. That's jokes, bro.
Why is it
That's funny.
Why is it fucking pushing me?
Calm down.
Yeah, I don't think so. You understand, yeah? I'll fucking wipe the floor with you.
No, you won't.
Yeah, I would.
Definitely not.
Let's let him have it, motherfucker.
Yeah, all right.
Come on, man. Come on. Come on.
Anytime.
Come on, motherfuckers. Come on, let's have it.
No one's
Come on, let's
going.
have it. Fucking pussy holes, man.
If I wanted to push someone, I'll push them.
Yeah, like standing still.
I'm not pushing no one.
Calm down.
Bro, does profanity make you look big?
Fat boy.
Does profanity make you look big?
Listen, I am big, yeah?
But
I am big.
I'm saying,
yeah?
does
But
profanity-
if you guys, if you
Why are you using
guys
profanity?
want to have a tear up, we will have a tear up. I will have a tear up. with
Definitely
any of
not.
you.
No one's having a tear up. No one's having a tear up. That's not what
This
we're
is
having.
Speaker's Corner, my dear friend.
Then you
Clearly,
don't
try that in Belmarsh.
Speaker corner as you push the other guy. You can do something to you. Fucking dickheads, man.
Say again?
You fucking pussies.
You're puncher.
Do you know what happened?
I saw.
What did you say?
You're not here.
I'm asking
No,
you
no,
what
I'm
happened.
asking.
Oh, you said you saw what happened.
He wasn't invading your personal space, though.
Do you know what happened
I
or
saw what
not?
happened.
So what
though.
happened?
What
Tell us.
happened?
You hit him.
No, before
right.
that. Prior to
What
that.
happened
That
prior?
fellow pushed me.
What happened?
And then you hit him.
As I was walking away, he pushed me.
That's what I'm saying. You see what I'm saying?
Done this?
Look at him, look at him, look at him. Look at him.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Look at him.
Why you coming here aggravating? Brother.
What do you think his day job is?
Take him
You
away.
punch me. You punch me. You punch me. You punch me. Clearly, the Muslims are losing out. Okay, I think Islam.
Why are you disrespecting the religion? They're saying that you're being disrespectful.
Disrespecting.
Why
What?
you disrespect?
You're coming into my personal space again. You're coming to my personal space
Let
again.
them talk. Let them talk. Let them talk. Let them talk, bro. Let them talk.
Guys,
bro.
man,
Let them
don't
talk.
fuck all of you,
Let them talk. Let them talk.
Fuck off all of you.
Why do you want people to have a
Bro,
conversation?
fuck this guy, man. I wanna fuck you. Fuck this guy. Fuck
You want to fuck the guy?
Fuck your country. Where are you from? Fuck
He wants to fuck the guy. Young man, there's no need to sit down. I said, young man.
Okay, I think Islam.
Why are you disrespecting the religion? They're saying that you're being disrespectful.
Disrespecting.
Why
What?
you disrespect?
You're coming into my personal space again. You're coming to my personal space
Let
again.
them talk. Let them talk. Let them talk. Let them talk, bro. Let them talk.
Guys,
bro.
man,
Let them
don't
talk.
fuck all of you.
Let them talk. Let them talk.
Fuck off all of you.
Why do you want people to have a
Bro,
conversation?
fuck this guy, man. I wanna fuck you. Fuck this guy. Fuck
You want to fuck the guy?
Fuck your country. Where are you from? Fuck
He wants to fuck the guy. Young man, there's no need to.
Do not ever compare the Torah and the Quran. Please don't. You're covering the camera. You're covering the camera right now.
It's a recording. Today you're not doing shit. Today you're not doing shit.
I don't know what's going on here. Some kind of confusion.
Chat to me. I'm Ashurian. I'm really Christian. Where are you from? How did you be Christian?
We're Asian.
Brother, do you need prayer?
Ashurian. How did you be a Christian?
Asian.
I'm speaking. How did you be Christian? I want to ask him. How did you
Why
be
you don't speak on
Christian?
the camera?
How did you be Christian?
Brother, you're high. Yeah.
I'm not high. How did you be Christian? Let me speak. No, please. Please, he pushed me there. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing. He pushed me.
Yes.
Go. Good, very good. Today you're not doing shit. You're not doing shit.
Did Hashem?
He said,
Masser.
he said you can go to him and he's more than happy to debate.
Okay, so maybe we'll go to him.
Yeah, if you are.
Okay, let's go to him then.
Let's go to him.
So that's all. I didn't realize that's the only thing.
Let's go to him, man. Let's go to him.
Let's go to Masai. Masai, yeah, please come. It's time to leave Islam and it's time to come to the precious Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. If you come to Jesus, you won't have to become a minion like him. A minion who has been paid £2, who shouted out Allahu Akbar and Takbir in my hearing, and now he is pretending he is not a Muslim. Why? Because he is a professional harasser. Did you see how he ran away? Fahad, what's your name? Sorry, Fahad?
Just call me Malik.
Malak. Maser has run away. For your information. Don't come there, please. Bad smell, please. Try that with someone else. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Curry. Chicken
Thank you.
biryani.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Come on. 2 pounds. Too much work for 2 pounds. Please keep moving.
You spend
Too much work for 2
£2
pounds.
a
Please.
week.
Please.
A week you spend.
Please. I am trying to help you. Look at these young men.
Let me speak with him, boy. Let me speak.
I show up at Speaker's Corner to help people, including him. Can you imagine? This young man, he has lost his life and he doesn't know what goodness is and he's wasting his time for a couple of pounds.
Indian.
So I am here to help people, including him. I am sure his parents would be really proud of what he is doing.
Give me the Quran, I will leave you.
Why?
Give me the Quran, I will leave you.
Why, sir? If you are an Assyrian, why do you need the Quran?
Give me the Quran, I will leave you.
Why?
Give me
Why?
the Quran, I will leave you.
Why?
Give me the Quran, I will leave you.
Why? Do
Give
you
me the
agree that
Quran,
you are
I
a
will
Muslim?
leave you.
Do you agree that you are a Muslim?
Give me the Quran, I will leave
Consider only
you.
about the Quran.
What's wrong with Muslims? Fuck the police. What happened?
Let's go, bro. Come on.
Thank you. All right.
All right.
Time's up.
Time up.
Now is the time the criminals will be
Criminal.
let loose
He's one criminal.
and they will be doing their stuff.
He's very
It's time for us to go. God's blessings to you all.
He's Indian.
Get a copy and read.
He's
The
Bukhari.
coming Islamic takeover of the West. Please convey the message to Muslims also. 400 odd pages. Pure Quran. Pure Quran. You call this pure Quran, noble Quran, holy Quran, and I'm telling you, this is pure Quran. Thank you very much. God blesses you. He's shouting into my ear. Shouting into my ear. Hey. It's time to leave Islam and it's time to come to the precious Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. If you come to Jesus, you won't have to become a minion like him. A minion who has been paid 2 pounds. 2 pounds, who shouted out Allahu Akbar and Takbir in my hearing, and now he is pretending he is not a Muslim. Why? Because he is a professional harasser. Did you see how he ran away? Fahad, what's your name? Sorry, Fahad?
Just call me Malek.
Malak. Maser has run away. For your information. Don't come there, please. Bad smell, please. Try that with someone else. Thank you. All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Curry. Chicken
Thank you.
biryani.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Come on. 2 pounds. Too much work for 2 pounds. Please keep moving.
You spend
Too much work for
£2
2
a
pounds.
week.
Please.
A week you spend.
Please. I am trying to help you. Look at these young men.
Let me speak with him, boy. Let me speak.
I show up at Speaker's Corner to help people, including him. Can you imagine? This young man, he has lost his life and he doesn't know what goodness is and he's wasting his time for a couple of pounds.
Indian.
So I am here to help people, including him. I am sure his parents would be really proud of what he is doing.
Give me the Quran, I will leave you.
Why?
Give me the Quran, I will leave you.
Why, sir? If you are an Assyrian, why do you need the Quran?
Give me the Quran, I will leave you.
Why?
Give me
Why?
the Quran, I will leave you.
Why?
Give me the Quran, I will leave you.
Why? Do you agree that you are a Muslim?